Hello, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with a DIY. I am going to transform this mask and the mesh in colors purple and green, turquoise or a bluish color Mardi Gras mask, and some Mardi Gras beads along with my glue gun and glue sticks. Those are the items I'm going to use in this project, and most likely a pair of scissors. So you guys, I'm going to try to take you guys along step by step as I do this. I hope it turns out good. I saw something similar to it someone did with a smaller mask, but I have this huge one and I want to try to use it on my front door. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this turns out, please stick around. Okay guys, this is what I've done so far. I've taken the mesh and blended the purple and the green together and used the glue sticks as I twist and glue. It's looking okay so far. I'm going to hold it up and let you guys look. I think it's coming out okay so far. My first time working with mesh, so I hope this looks okay. I'm going to keep going, and as I progress, I'll take shots for you guys and let you see how it's coming along. Okay, this is what I have so far. I have the mesh bent around the mask, and I've attached the beads to the top here to hang in the front. So my last and final step will be to add the mask. So I think it's coming out pretty good, guys. I can't wait till I finish totally and show you guys the whole finished product. Okay, the mask is attached, guys. So this is how it looks so far. Now I just got to get the hook and hang it on the door. I think it looks pretty good considering. I'm going to find the picture I'm trying to mimic and let you guys see what I did. So next thing I'm going to do is hang on the door. Here's the front door, guys. Looks pretty good hanging up there. I think I did a pretty good job. Well, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying you guys be blessed.